Everybody's talking about ChatGPT these days. It is a large language model chatbot. And in today's video, we're gonna take a look at 10 passive income ideas that this artificial intelligence tool is suggesting for 2023. So number one, it's renting out a property. You can earn passive income by renting your vacation or residential property. Number two is earning passive income through dividends. You can invest your money in stocks or mutual funds that pay the dividends. Number three, you can earn passive income by investing in peer-to-peer lending platforms. There's Lending Club, there's Prosper, there's Lending Whoop in Canada, and it allows you to invest your money which other people borrow and pay you interest on it. Number four is investing in REITs. REITs are real estate investment trusts. They typically invest a large chunk of money into a commercial real estate such as plazas or commercial buildings. And by owning those REITs, you get dividend payments. Number five is investing in crowdfunding. There's different platforms like Real Crowd, Fundrise that allow you to invest your money in a variety of projects and earn passive income through rental income or appreciation. Number six is creating online course. If you are an expert in a certain subject, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy or Teachables and get passive income. Number seven is building an e-commerce dropshipping business. You set up an online store, you partner with suppliers who will actually fulfill your orders and ship it to your customers, and you earn passive income through sales. Number eight is creating your own app. You can also pay someone else to develop the app for you, and you would earn passive income by selling your app on marketplaces like Apple App Store or Google Play Store and earn passive income. Number nine is investing your money in high yield savings account, and those accounts typically have much higher interest rate than the normal savings account, and you would basically earn passive income on your deposit through interest payments. And number 10 is licensing your work. If you create music, artwork, you may be able to license it through various platforms online and get passive income through royalties. It is important to note that generating any passive income will require some effort upfront, and there is also some risk involved. You may want to do a research and consider your options before making any decisions.